everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we were discussing some the elegance of Myanmar traditional wedding dress. In the rich culture heritage of Myanmar, traditional wedding dresses hold a special place. These exquisite garments are not just beautiful to look at but also carry deep symbolic meaning. Let's explore the elegance of Myanmar's traditional wedding dress. Visual of traditional Myanmar wedding dress appear on screen. The traditional wedding dress is also known as the hetman for women and longi for men. The hetman is a long cylindrical skirt made from silk or cotton, intricately woven with beautiful patterns and designs. Visual of traditional, these wedding dresses are elegant and looking most beautiful. In this culture, the traditional wedding dress symbolizes purity, elegance, and modesty. The intricate pattern and designs on the fabric represent the country's rich culture, heritage, and the couple's commitment to each other. The dress is also believed to bring good luck and prosperity to new lands. White traditional wedding dresses are still an integral part of this culture. Modern designers have put their own spins on the classic designs. Fabric, colors, and patterns are being incorporated into the traditional dresses, making them even more stunning and unique. These dresses are elegant and looking so beautiful on the bride's wedding dress is true reflection of the country's rich culture, heritage. Its elegance, beauty, and symbolism make it an integral part of any wedding. Whether traditional or modern, these dresses are sure to make any wedding ceremony unforgettable. In Myanmar's rich culture, heritage traditional wedding dresses shine with golden elegance. On your screen, you see mostly of the golden color, which looking beautiful. Today we will explore the significance and beauty of these stunning garments, particularly in golden and many other colors. The traditional wedding dress known as Hatsam. In Myanmar's culture, the traditional wedding dress is an integral part of the wedding ceremony. The golden and white color reflect the country's rich history and cultural heritage. The dress is a symbol of couple respect for tradition and their ancestors. The golden and white color are looking so gorgeous and beautiful. This traditional dress is a masterpiece of elegance and cultural significance. Its beauty and symbolism make it an unforgettable part of any Myanmar wedding that cherish and preserve this precious traditional. Golden represents wealth, royalty, and spirituality, while white signifies purity and innocence together. These colors embody the couple's commitment to each other and their new life. The dress is believed to bring happiness and fortune to the new style. The traditional Myanmar wedding dress, known as most beautiful dress in her era. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe.